What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy D. Okay, we just got through doing the Galaxy video. As y'all see.
Stop. Oh.
As y'all see, you see what they did to the cabinets? You see that? It don't make no sense. It's everywhere. So if y'all was paying attention in the video, y'all probably be thinking, okay, he is not into this video of something. Okay. In my head, I was thinking, this is some crazy shit. This is gonna be everywhere. That's why I didn't touch it.
How it stains my leg. There's like a purple, like, thing on my leg. Like a stain.
That is ridiculous. Look at Nyla. Look at
Nyla. Slime didn't do this.
It's like she peed this crap, whatever this slime.
Ew, it does.
She had an infection and had a bowel movement, and this is what came out.
Ew.
I didn't pee.
So as y'all can see, I tried to warn.
I would not recommend doing this video if you are not ready to get dirty.
Yeah, because I mean it looked bad from where I was sitting. That's why I did not participate. I participated. I sat in the video and put my 2 cents in and stirred a little bit. But I let them really do the video. I was just appearing in the video. But if y'all wondering why, because I was thinking in my head, this was going to be some bad shit. And look at this. I was right.
I didn't know because the rainbow slime wasn't nowhere near as messy. And we did that one outside, so we did it kind of backwards.
I'm not touching it. I ain't touching it whatsoever. They asked for help? Nope, you ain't getting it. Look.
That's not nice.
I know. But it's so funny because look. I told you it was going to stain you. It look like you got a big old bruise on your leg. Oh yeah, matter of fact, I'm glad I'm recording this. Yeah.
I didn't pee on myself.
I know that, but it's that.
It looks like I peed on myself, but I did it.
Okay. Y'all got it all on the floor. Look at the we showing the toes. Not it's getting personal. We showing the toes. Mine. Oh yeah, we can't do that. This is crazy.
Okay, I think this is the most it's coming off of me. And,
okay, this is not.
I'm gonna sit up here.
Oh snap! Can you move the towel from right there, please? Cause I don't want that slime getting on the towel. I know y'all was using that, but I don't want the slime getting on the towel. It's gonna mess the towel up. Y'all done messed up enough stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
I am not playing with this slime no more.
Yeah.
Stop saying that.
You mad?
No. Stop. Stop. Before I kick that phone out your hand. I'm gonna kick that phone out your hand with my leg. I'm gonna kick that phone out your.
You mad? Look, you done got it on the stove. Look at you.
Yeah.
Look at
like
you talking about something. Yeah, you did it.
Yeah.
Okay, here, let's set you up here so we can wash you off.
I'm sticky.
Here, come over here.
I'm messy. I don't want to be messy.
Okay, when I pick you up, put your feet in the sink, okay?
That is not. I don't.
Why are we not using the tub? Is a real question. But we got a white tub and this is gonna stain it. You see the color of the sink? That tin, aluminum, whatever the hell that is, metal, whatever that is. Yeah, we gonna use that for that. We ain't gonna put it in the white tub. No, not gonna do it. Nope. Sorry. That's your punishment for doing something like this. So for anybody out there that got kids and a wife, a fiance, girlfriend, whatever, if they try to do this one, hold on, let me go get the box. Let me go get the box. Okay. Let me get back to the light so you can see. If they try to do this right here, tell them, do it at your own risk. You're going to kick their ass out. It's going to stain everything you touch. Everything. That's why they ass in the sink. Still love you, both of you, but you're in the sink. So, like, comment, subscribe. Put in the comment box what y'all think. You think I did it? I played it smart by sitting out? Yeah.
Don't say that.
I think.
If I kick that phone out your hand.
Yeah, you mad. That's all it is. She mad because I was right. Boom. So, yeah, like I said, y'all have a good night. Y'all have a good night. We'll see y'all in the next video.